Yeah, like I can't hardly even touch my screen. It's paint covered. All right, Brian. What happened today?
We painted.
Is that not bad for a couple hay seeds?
Look at, I think silver came out really well, especially down there.
Yeah, we got the tunnel ram gray, some kind of red pearl, all pearlescent, black pearlescent. Can't really see because of daylight. And she's got some wavy wobbles that need to be done out, but besides that, it's not too bad. Straight front all the way. The back, we got gray dash. There's the tunnel ram gray. Up the A-pillars as well. And there's the back end of her. So, that's what she'll look like. What do you think, Brian?
It's pretty good.
How do you feel about taping?
You know, kind of sucks, but it was worth it. Turned out really good, the stripes.
Yep, we probably had, what do you think, 4 or 5 hours of taping?
Yeah, probably spent like 40% more time taping than actually spraying.
Yeah. And we got the 2K high build, whatchamacallit there.
Clear coat?
Clear coat,
Yeah.
Just put that on. It was disheartening until we put the clear on it. So,
All sides and things,
yeah. It was all like a dull gray. Now she's really popping.
So we clear coated the grill?
We still have clear coat in the gun. You might have got lucky. I forgot about the grill. We got to do that outside, though.
Yeah, that is like beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at, you see in the gray you can see all the little pearls.
Yeah, the gray really stands out.
It's like gray with silver in it.
I thought it was going to be ash because I got some little striping, but she did lay down good.
I can't really even notice it.
Yeah. We'll see it in the sunlight, how much stuff I missed.
Yep.
Then you'll really hate me.
Yes.
We'll see, though.
I think she's pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Especially for all the eyeballing and friggin'
Yep.
hack jobs we did on the stripes. It came out so good.
Yep. That's it. I mean, that was a pain in the ass doing the stripes.
Yeah, I was taking like an hour to get one stripe in there. Oh my lord.
Yep. And just to be clear, it goes all the way through the grill. It's a little crooked probably, but it's as straight as I can get that shit.
It's actually pretty damn good. I checked it.
Yeah. There's a crazy amount of taping and bagging, but I'll live with that. What say you?
Oh yeah. Definitely.
Well, body's pretty much over. Till next time.